Kubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau bak Prestone Tensong, hawa keren jigilat patai kubur haka khat arterik unailar arajar arpuar, halor ke jingdap Snem, jong ba Cherry Starfield thank you. Hadian ke jingsyak siat yam, haka yingsa ke jong ulaong bahaka tu ke Sngi ula kerpat iki Katba, balada ki bu iki nugi program, na ke benta ke jingdap si Snem jong ba Cheris, bakin don ke jingya tip lem, bat bakin pen, bakan don ke ke Jingkulmar haka te ke Sngi. Bat halor ke phang jong ke kai pot jing token, uba Prestone ulaong baki Katba ki deban long ki bayesha, namar ke sorkar kan haban buat iki kendon jong ke an.
Well, in fact, last time they met me in my office chamber. I've invited them and then I made them understand that see on the 9th, the assembly session, autumn session will start. And on the 9th itself, we will table it on the floor of the house. So I told them, please be patient, wait, because we have to follow the rules, we have to follow also the act as guided by the book. So we have to be a little patient. Then I told them, I requested them, you will get it on the 9th of September.
So tomorrow they are calling for Black Flag Day and there are a lot of apprehensions about security side.
Well, in fact, we have already instructed police and we requested them also. Yes, you please do whatever you feel like to do in honor of late Cheris. Thank you. They can do any program, whatever they feel like. And that day also I appeal, I've requested them, do any honor whatever you wanted to do, please, but please don't create law and order. That is my request to all of them, because we don't want to see again law and order problem in the state.
Concerns that why couldn't the government, hold a special session just to discuss about this report?
Well, but I think that does not rise, because this session will start, because it is not so simple by saying please hold a session, special session. As I said to you, since we are already approaching, it's a matter of few days only, session will start from the 9th. I think it is good enough that be patient and you'll get all the details on the 9th itself, on the first day of the session.
They don't want any police presence there during the meeting.
Well, if they don't need, I think that sentiment, we respect that. But at the same time, we requested from the government side, please make sure that you don't have to take the law on the law on your own hand. And number two, please make sure whatever programs that you have, please make sure it is peaceful and no law and order is created.
Still continue and not.
We have decided we will continue ahead, because see, if you talk about few section of people who wanted to protest or who are against it, I think there is no end at all. But this one, I'm telling, maximum majority of the Meghalayan people, they wanted to see that solution is resolved once for all. Being this problem continued for more than 50 years.